Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here we're going to show you how to do an indoor garden project for kids. The first step is to plan the layout of your garden. Here is an example of what we've done. Here are the materials you'll need for this project. An aluminum tray, some potting soil, a bag of white pebbles, and some beans that are available in your kitchen. Next, soak the beans in some water for a day. Then, transfer them onto a wet tissue to continue sprouting. Now start decorating your garden as per the plan you've drawn. Get your kids to help you poke some holes in the soil so that you can start planting the beans. Carefully place the beans in the soil, taking care not to damage the roots. You don't have to worry about placing the beans in a certain way. The roots will find their way down. This is called positive geotropism. It's best to plant the beans that have already sprouted, as those are the ones that are likely to grow. Now you can cover your beans with some soil. Now pour some water onto the soil enough to dampen it. There is no need to flood the soil. You can help your child build a sense of responsibility by encouraging them to take care of the plants, such as watering them regularly and monitoring their growth. Taking care of plants can be very rewarding and therapeutic. Place your tray near a window or in a room that gets some sunlight. Plants exhibit phototropism. That means they bend towards the source of light. You can keep rotating your tray around so that the plants grow vertical. Photosynthesis is a process used by plants to convert light energy into chemical energy that can later be released to fuel the plant's activities. This project encourages love for nature and the environment, and the end result is satisfying. Please don't forget to subscribe for some more interesting videos and projects.